We'll guide you through how to use the keyframe editor in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop and load the project you want to work on. Head over to the Edit page, which you can find on the bottom of the interface. Once you're there, select the clip you want to add keyframes to. Now, to access the keyframe editor, look for the small triangular icon on the right side of the timeline panel and click it to open the keyframe editor panel. You'll see a new section appear below your timeline where you can manage keyframes. Click on the diamond icon next to the parameter you want to animate. This will create a keyframe at the current position of your playhead. Move the playhead to a different position, adjust the parameter, and another keyframe will automatically be created. You can easily adjust the timing of these keyframes by dragging them left or right along the timeline. For a more precise control, right-click on a keyframe to access options like easing for smoother transitions. Use the zoom tools to ensure you have the best view of your keyframes for more intricate adjustments. Remember, you can animate a variety of parameters such as position, scale, opacity, and more. This makes your editing dynamic and visually engaging. Once you're satisfied with your keyframe adjustments, play through your timeline to ensure everything is flowing smoothly. Don't forget to save your project to keep all your hard work intact. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the keyframe editor in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.